Ever heard that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Let's crack this myth open. You've Googled it, haven't you? Wondering if every crack gets you closer to a life of pain? Let's get into the science of what's actually happening inside your knuckles. See these air bubbles? They're the real stars of that satisfying pop. So what's the verdict? Myth or scientific fact? False. Multiple studies confirm there's no link between cracking knuckles and arthritis. Imagine the money you'd save by not falling for this and other health myths. Still concerned? Even grandma cracks her knuckles and she's just fine. The only thing that'll crack is the myth itself, not your future health. Smash that like and subscribe button if you love debunking myths as much as we do.